Hi everyone, my name is Whitney Sutter and I am based in Columbia, South Carolina. I've worked at the University of South Carolina for over 11 years, but for the past 4 years I've worked in the College of Nursing as a diversity coordinator. So I've never had any experience with being a classroom teacher. Um, all of my educational experience has been with faculty and with staff as my students per se. Um, so whenever it comes to my personal vision, it's basically I will strive for social justice on the behalf of all students, staff, and faculty. I will promote an inclusive environment where everyone is valued for their individual skills and contributions. As an innovator, I will encourage others to bring forth actionable items that are data driven. I believe that no matter what your position is within your organization, everyone is a leader. So it's up to the individual to come up with what makes them, to decide what makes them a leader, what makes them a strong leader, and use those skills to encourage others. The problem I would like to focus on is staff development and enhancing self-efficacy among that group based on feedback we've received from a climate survey in 2018. We have some staff members who feel as though they are not a part of the college. They have perceptions of well belonging. There's some evidence of them not being able to attend professional development that they would like to in order to grow as people and as members of the common. So, yeah, I look forward to working with you all this semester.